Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to another grocery haul. So it's going to be a little bit different. It's not our typical Walmart or any other store grocery haul. This haul is actually for my friend's baby shower that I am hosting this weekend before we head to Disney. And I thought it would be a good idea to show y'all everything that I needed to get for her baby shower. So we went to Sam's. This is the Sam's haul that I'm about to show you, and then I will show y'all the Walmart haul. So right over here we got some Rice Krispie treats. What I'm going to do with these is open them individually, dip them in some white chocolate that is dyed blue, and I'm going to sprinkle some sprinkles on it, and that will be a cute little treat at the party. My friend needed some flour tortillas because she was going to make some chicken roll-ups or something like that. I've never tried it before, but she said they were really good, so she wants them and she's going to make them. We got 2 things of bread at Sam's because she wanted to make egg salad sandwiches for the party because she absolutely loves those, and I think that's what she was craving. So we are going to make some of that. We got 2 18-pack of eggs. One's actually going to stay at my house and the other one is going to go to the party. And this was only like $2.88. That's freaking awesome for 2 packs of 18 eggs. Next, she wanted some kind of dip. She wanted some spinach dip, so I got some spinach artichoke dip. Super yummy, looks really good. I love spinach artichoke dip. Then I wanted to get some salsa, and it's easier to get the fresh salsa than it is to get like the jarred salsa, the over the border salsa. So I got this, the Members Market, their store brand. Hopefully that is good. And then I got 2 big bags of tortilla chips. These were like $3.88, so it was super cheap. Everything that you see here was about $43. Now I'm going to show y'all my Walmart haul, and that's going to be the last of the things I need for the baby shower. Alright you guys, so this is our Walmart haul for the baby shower. We got 2 bottles of Sprite, a thing of pineapple juice, and a thing of crayon apple. Now this is all going to go into a punch with this orange sherbet. I've never made this recipe. She has the recipe, so hopefully it's good. I like all of these flavors, so pretty sure it's going to be good, but it's supposed to be a punch. Cocktail weenies. We're going to make some pigs in a blanket with some crescent rolls. Then I needed to get some of these treat sticks, but I forgot the Nutter Butter that we're supposed to attach these to because her theme is elephant. But I got the sticks for it, just don't have the cookies for it. The next thing that I got is some food coloring to dye the white chocolate to a blue color. They don't have blue by itself, which is weird. So I had to get the assorted brand. And then random, but I had to get the thing of peanuts. We're doing a game where you have to guess how many peanuts is in there, and it's going to be fun for me to count these. So wish me luck on that. But yeah, so that was my Sam's haul, and this is my Walmart haul. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if there is something that y'all buy for baby showers. This is supposed to be a big party, maybe 40 people or so. That's a lot of people. We're gonna have a lot of food there, but I feel like it's gonna be a success. And let me know if you like this video. Like I said, make sure you comment and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.